In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add your business hours to a Shopify website. Since this feature isn't available through Shopify itself, we do need to use an external widget, but don't worry, it's completely free of charge and no credit card information is required. The first step is to go to Elf's site. I've added a link for this website in the video description, so go ahead and click there and it'll take you directly to this page. From there, go up and hover over widgets and then go over to tools and go a little bit down where you see business hours. Go ahead and click right there. From here, click on this big pink button that says create widget for free. This takes you down to a template builder where you can start designing your widget to your liking. So the first step from here is to go ahead and select a template from the ones available. Just pick something that's close to what you're looking for. You can always customize it later if you want to change the colors, layout, or other details. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead with this full business details option here because it looks a bit more interesting. Once you're ready to move on, go ahead and click on continue with this template at the bottom. This takes us to a page where we can start adding our personal business information and opening hours. So as you can see in the first page here, we have the business hours. You can go ahead and click on each day, for example, Sunday, and then you can mark whether it's open or not. So right now it's as closed because it's not toggled on. But if you want to say that you're working on Sundays, you could go ahead and make it blue like this, and then click add working hours. And then you just go ahead and customize it to your liking. You can also scroll down a little bit here and add some additional information. I'm not going to cover everything right now because I want this to be a quick video, but you can go ahead and customize it to your liking if you need to add anything else. On the left hand side, you also have another tab that says layout. Go ahead and click there. From here, we can go ahead and choose the business hour style layout. So you can see this over here. This is the business hour style. Right now it looks like this, but you also have this option right here. This option basically allows people to go ahead and click on the drop-down menu to see more days if they'd like to. So it's a little bit more minimalistic. I'm just going to go ahead with the first option. If you want to change the colors and more, go ahead and click on style over on the left-hand side. Here you can change something like the background color, the accent color, text color, and more. Again, just because I want to keep this tutorial short, I'm not going to go over all the options here, but feel free to explore this section if you want to match your store's branding or something else. Lastly, you also have the settings option out here. This allows you to change the language, the time zone, time format, and more. And by the way, if you want to change something like the image and the logo over here, go ahead and click on content and go down to business details down here and click. And from here, you can go ahead and upload your own logo by going ahead and removing it and then adding your own logo. And the same goes for the image down here in location photo. You can go ahead and upload an image as well. Once you're ready to add this to your Shopify website, go ahead and click on add to website for free. Now on your screen, you might end up having a pop-up box where you need to log in or sign up to Elf's site. Go ahead and do that, and then you should end up on a similar page as to what you're seeing on my screen in just a moment. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you don't have anything else you need changing, just go ahead and click on the big green publish button in the top right corner up here. Now you'll be taken to this page where you can choose your plan. And because this is completely free of charge, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan over here on the left by clicking the gray select button. And once that's done, you'll end up on a page that looks just like this. From here, go ahead and click on copy code, and now it's time to head back to Shopify. Once you're back on your Shopify website editor, it's really easy to add this to your store. The only thing is that you need to go ahead and click add section wherever you want to add it. In this case, I guess it would be a good idea to add it to the bottom of the website or even in the footer, but I'm just going to go ahead here in the mid section and click on add section over here on the left hand side. From here, scroll all the way down until you see custom liquid right here. From here, the last step is to go over here on the right hand side and then click Ctrl V on your keyboard or right click on your mouse and click paste. And what we just pasted here is the code that we just copied from Elf's site before, this code right here. And once you've given it a moment to load, you can see that we have a really nice business hour widget on our Shopify store. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can add a business hour showcase to your Shopify store. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.